Yeah, g'day folks, the Duck here from Oz Offroad. I'm here with my good mate Pat Callinan, who's dropped in again here at Oz Offroad at Penrith. Look, we don't have a lot in common, but when you really nut it out, we probably have more in common than we like to think. But the one thing that we both have in common and we both agree on is the fact that we love Uniden. And there's a very good reason that for me, I know why I choose Uniden products. Pat, you've travelled all over Australia over many, many years, you know, about 15 years now, and probably before that. Why Uniden?
Mate, you've got to have good comms out there on the road, as you know. You know, if you have bad comms, it just makes for a bad trip. And it's really tough, I think, when someone's getting into the four-wheel drive game, they're looking at the different products, they're looking at different price points and everything, and they think, oh, that looks okay, it sounds like it's 5 watt, that'll be awesome. But if you've got 5 watts, that's great, but if you've got a crappy speaker or something like that, 5 watts doesn't mean much, because if it's crackly and you've got poor sound quality, that's when you've got problems. And you know, when you look right through the system, from the antenna, the aerial, right through to the speaker, and just how simple they are to use too, you know. I don't want to have a degree to use my CB radio. I want to turn it on and make sure it works. But also, I want to make sure that it's got some decent features as well, like, you know, the repeat function. You know, sometimes you'll be out of the car and just coming back in and you'll catch the end of a message. You just hit the replay function on it and bang, you can listen to that message again because it just records it. So little things like that, but mainly for me, it's the quality of the signal and the speaker. That to me is what you've got to look for.
Yeah, absolutely, and of course that's because they have quality antennas and the like as well to help that reception. And the thing I like about Uniden is the fact that they're always developing their products. They won't release a product into the marketplace until such time as they are 150% happy with it. And which they're now working on the X-Track series, and the handhelds are out now. They're still just fine-tuning the in-car radios, and I think they take it seriously, and they know that their customers is an investment, and they want to make sure that they're happy and looked after. So for us, it's a very good brand to carry here in store. But it's not just the radios; we also carry the cameras and the you know, you want to protect your version of events wherever you are. As for something happens on the road, which happened to all of us, it happened to me not that long ago, you can protect your version of events by installing, you know, a quality Uniden dash cam camera. So for us, it's a great brand, and it's a brand that four-wheel drivers know and trust, and obviously you do, mate, because you've used it for a long time.
100%, mate, and
you should know.
And kind of use it commercially, really, because we're always travelling in a convoy of 3 Forbies out in the middle of nowhere, and if you don't have comms, you don't have much.
Well, there you go. So if you want to get yourself some quality comm gear, awesome cameras, come and check us out. We've got a huge range of Uniden stuff here. It's the brand that Pat Callinan uses. It's the brand that we use as well. You'll find us out here at Penrith, so call in, see the team, and they certainly will look after you.